Scientific method. Scientific method is a systematic approach used to investigate and understand natural phenomena. It involves a series of steps that are used to develop and test hypotheses and to arrive at conclusions based on empirical evidence. The scientific method is used in many fields including natural sciences, social sciences and engineering. Types or steps of scientific method typically include: Number one, observation. The first step in the scientific method is to make an observation. Observation can be made through the use of our senses or through instruments. Observation should be objective and unbiased, meaning they are based on facts rather than opinion. On number two, formulation of hypothesis. A hypothesis is a tentative explanation for the observed phenomenon. The hypothesis should be based on prior knowledge and should be testable through experimentation. A good hypothesis should be clear, specific, and falsifiable. Point number three, prediction. Once a hypothesis has been formulated, scientists can use to make its prediction about future observations or experiments. These predictions can be used to test the validity of the hypothesis. Number four, experimentation. Experiments are designed to test the predictions that are generated by hypotheses. Experiments should be carefully designed to ensure that they are objective, controlled, and reproducible. Number 5 is data collection and analysis. Data collection is collected during the experiment and then analyzed using statistical method. This allows scientists to determine whether or not their hypothesis is supported by evidence. Number 6, conclusion. Based on the results of the experiment, scientists can draw a conclusion. If the results support the hypothesis is considered to be valid. If the results do not support the hypothesis, scientists must revise or discard the hypothesis. Number 7, communication. Finally, scientists communicate their results to the scientific community through scientific papers, presentations, and conferences. This allows other scientists to review and replicate the experiment, further contributing to the body of scientific knowledge. The scientific method is an important tool for understanding the natural world and for making evidence based decisions. It allows scientists to develop and test hypotheses in a rigorous and systematic manner, ensuring that their conclusions are based on empirical evidence rather than speculation or personal bias.